Ready?
Yep.
All right. Coming over here to the southeast corner of the structure, we have a couple of tubes coming up out of the ground, one with the wire and one with the pipe. What we're going to have here is this will be the location of our well. And what we're going to put in is a sand point, or a drive well, which is a shallow well. The best water around here with the sand and the good drainage, we have filtration, is down about 17 to 25 feet below the surface, so a deep drilled well is not required. We will be putting that in hopefully next week and have an update on what the quality of the water. We'll have it fully tested before we actually move into the place to make sure that we don't need to do any treatment on it. Coming on over here, you can see we have some of the structure up. The poles are in the ground. They're buried down 6 feet with a 16-inch concrete pad underneath them, so they're very solid. This is where our utility core is in the house, which we spoke about before, and all of our air handling. And these pipes are all here to accommodate that. The white pipe that's going down and comes out on the other end is a run so that I can run telephone wires, gas hookup, everything like that without having to put a hole in my structure. Once I get my insulation in, I don't want to penetrate that at all because I want to make sure no moisture gets into there. That's part of the trick to having a high performance shell. Over here you can see the backfilling of our trenches. We had this large trench here. We had to do some special accommodations for the poles there because of the pipes that all run through. These pipes will all, on this end, will run up on the outside of the wall. These pipes here, most of the pipes run over to the utility core, but these pipes here will feed fresh air to the goat barn. And that's also designed with enough air that comes 50 degrees, 45 degrees out of the ground to maintain a temperature of 30 to 35 degrees in the goat barn here over the course of the winter without any extra heating. We essentially use the ground to heat the goat barn since we don't need much. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I hope we covered everything there.